and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Discovery 3-litre diesel HSE Luxury in Corris Grey. This car is an approved used vehicle, therefore comes with a minimum 12 months approved warranty and 24/7 roadside assistance. You have LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, 21-inch alloys, 10 split spoke with a gloss black finish, giving the car a real sporty appearance. And taking a look in the back, you have plenty of space there for 3 passengers, meaning it's never a tight squeeze. You have a lovely ebony leather interior, along with rear seat entertainment, which is practical for children. And going round towards the back, you have a powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. Plenty of space there in the boot for things such as golf clubs and pushchairs. And you do also have 2 extra seats, which can be controlled electrically, again ideal for families or if you often have extra passengers. You also have an electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one. It's great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. So looking inside the car, a lovely leather interior, making the car easy to clean, along with a front sliding panoramic roof and a fixed one at the back, both great for letting in more light. So you've got different controls with hands-free, so you can use your phone on the go. And you also have cruise control and a speed limiter, handy for motorways and long journeys. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must for the winter. And this car's done 26,133 miles. And you can also adjust different settings in front of you. 10-inch Touch Pro with things such as sat nav. You also have extra storage and different ports such as USB port, great for charging your phone. Memory seats, ideal if there's several people driving the vehicle, and a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Stepping back outside the car, that was a lovely Discovery. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.